Hello, my name is Odur Kevin. I'm the Programs Officer at Stowelink Foundation, and I'm glad to be amongst the participants of this first ever National NCD Conference. My experience in this conference has been so wonderful. I can speak about the different sessions that I've attended from the first day to the last day today. Wonderful abstracts and posters, mind-blowing presentations from NCD experts, and I'm glad that these discussions are happening, because for a long time non-communicable diseases have not been given the attention that they deserve. And I'm also thankful to the conference organizers for incorporating young people. I've seen a number of young people in this conference, and that means that the conference organizers are thinking about also the youth when they are organizing this conference. But also the experience around what were presented during the research that had been done in NCD space around health literacy, around eye care model by Novo Nordisk, around life course approach by Non-Communicable Disease Alliance of Kenya. Those discussions were very enriching, and I'm looking forward to seeing what recommendations are going to come out to emanate from this conference, and possibly how we can turn this conversation into practice. Thank you.